Welcome to my channel. My name is Silynthia, and I'm a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with I am Cassie J Budgets and Vlogs. I'll link our shop as well as our freebie down below so you can grab it if you'd like. Happy Saturday, budget friends. We are coming together to stuff my sinking funds. I thought about waiting until next week to see if I can complete a couple more savings challenges, but I need the funds. I need the money. I do need to make sure I have some money in my safety net for the time that I missed that I'm still playing catch up on. So at this point we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91. Now I've collected this $91 over time, and the way that I do my savings challenges is I complete them and I stuff them into my sinking funds. So that's how I'm able to get this money. Today it's early morning and I need to make sure that we have a couple bucks. My kiddos want to go outside today. The weather's been up and down all around, sunshine one day, raining another, snowing another. So we're at this point hoping to actually get outside. But first I need to start with my, I definitely need to start with my safety net. And my safety net just pays me money when I'm short money. And I have been short. I started the month behind. So I'm playing catch up. And I'm just going to do the best I can with what I've got. And I think I'm going to go ahead and put 40 bucks in there today. And then I'll see exactly how much I need to work with. And at this point, I was thinking don't even do this cash stuffing. But I have to. I need to stick with my plan. And if I need to adjust it after I've completed it, then I will. But let's see here. Let's put $20 into my boys, and then $20 for mommy. And then car maintenance has 20 bucks, but I do need to. I need to get a car wash and I need to vacuum out my car. So I don't know how much I'm gonna actually have remaining in there, so I won't mess with it. But let's put a couple bucks into our home envelope. We have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We'll put 11 in there. I do, each week I allot myself a certain amount of money for like household items, cleaning supplies, things like that. But I was thinking, when I was at the store, I want some paper plates and plastic spoons, because dishes are a no-go, especially like right now. It's, the weather's changing and hopefully we'll be going into spring. That means we're going to be doing more picnics outside and things like that. So I think I'm going to probably spend that money on things, so that way we can make sure we have what we need to go on picnics, and make sure that I have paper plates and things like that at home, so I'm not having to wash so many dishes. I do have 2 little boys that help out sometimes, but sometimes with kids it's more work. After they try to do it, you still have to go back and do it. So anyway, I'm not even sure that was worth recording, and I've mentioned that before. Sometimes these videos are going to be very short, and it's okay with me, and I hope it's okay with you that I'm still just trying to hold myself accountable and not trying to shy away from the reality of what my life is looking like over here. But that's it for now, guys. I want to thank you all so much for stopping by. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And you guys feel free to grab the freebies down below. There are tons of them in our Google Drive, and you should print them up. They're free. You don't have to sign up for an email or anything like that. But that's it for now, guys. Thanks so much for stopping by. Bye, guys.